strange decision by Cricket West Indies to elevate Darren Sammy to the all-format coach of the West Indies, which obviously now includes the Test team. We understand that the thinking is to get the best talent in the region playing Test cricket. Renowned white ball specialists like Nicholas Pooran and Shimran Hetmeyer and Akil Hussain, players who are already being coached by Sammy in white ball cricket. He would just get them to transition into Test cricket. And these so-called better players would mean a better Test team. But I'm not sure about this, Now, first of all, T20 skill sets and temperament are different from Test cricket skill sets and temperament. And from what we see, especially of the T20 batsmen, they will not change their wild and reckless ways to play long, 5-day, boring Test cricket when yam-licking cricket appear so much money. So quote Sammy, God go with you. God go with you.